now see here, this is a very interesting diagram. So this is like, for example, you need to begin a transaction. Okay, so the transaction is begun over there, right? So it can go to there is two options for it, or like, for example, three options. Okay, see over here. So for example, initially it is become active, but there is no transaction initiated, so it can go back. So it becomes active, but it's not like a not neither commit, neither go for the commit nor go for the abort one. Okay, so in the first one, maybe it is partially is done. Some of the transaction has been done, and some is remaining over there. Let's suppose you have started some shopping some 2 or 3 products over there on Alibaba or Amazon over there. So maybe you put something in the card, you pay for someone, some is not paid over there, and still you are going on. Meanwhile, it happens that the transaction gets aboard because of internet connection or because of anything happens over there, or it may be chance that the rest of the product, for example, you order for the 2 were successful and 3 were not successful, but sometime all the 5 products you wanted, all you were done successfully. Here only, like, for example, you order for like some 5 and for example no one was successful, let's suppose. So it will go into the fail stage, and from the fail stage it will go to the aborted one. But here all the transaction, all the whatever you want to do, want to buy something, all were committed successfully over there. Okay, so so this is the overall scenario that how it is done over there.
What are the reasons? Like you said that it made like internet or like
Yeah,
problem for
there can be, yeah, there can be many reasons. Maybe the user by self, like, can say sometimes you want to buy something, but you suddenly change your mind. Okay, no, I don't want to buy it. Okay, maybe there's a good option in Jareer or an extra. Okay, so you just like change your mind. Okay, you can, the user can do it, or the internet can do it, or maybe sometimes your credit card is not working properly. So there can be many reasons for the failure over there.